about the recess, but before we do, there's going to be some statements made by the coordinators here. I believe I've always written the verdict. We got a jury here, and for all intents and purposes, I'm correct and say that we find the defendant not guilty. And I usually give a lengthy explanation on that, but I'm not today. There's going to be a recess. There's going to be some points gathered together, and there's going to be some scoring done on this matter. But before we recess and everybody goes into chaos here in just a moment, like we always do, and everybody's looking and excited, I'm supposed to take a picture with you guys. I want to do that real first and quick because I've got a meeting that I'm already supposed to be in. So I want to take the pictures with the classmates. And so I will say this before we do that as well. I'm going to give my remarks, if you don't mind. Exceptional. Y'all are so exceptional. And I usually try to, I probably get a little lengthy on that. Sometimes I might cut it short because I'm moving. But I couldn't say enough good things about you guys. Y'all look so professional. And I don't mean by just your appearance, but I mean your manners, your demeanor, the way you carry yourself, preparation that's obvious. It's all of these things with your exhibits and everything. I mean, you guys look like just the dream team of counselors. And based on everything I've seen and heard. So everybody's done really good, okay? And I will just say this, there may be some others out here that are out here in the legal field. I know they're probably thinking the same thing as well. You know, if anybody's never observed this before, or observed students do this, every time it's always exceptional to me. And it's never failed to do so. You guys have lived up to the same standard I've seen in the past. So there is obviously there's some great teaching going on, and there's some great mentoring going on with these kids. Is all I can say. It definitely shows. The teaching that is going behind and the gearing that is going behind these children is unmatched. From my experience, I've said it. I'll try to be careful. I'll just say this. So I want to give honor to the parents. I want to give honor to the people that are involved in investing in these children. And I don't even want to call you children, like adults. So these young adults. And y'all are so squared away and so professional. And you carry yourself so well, so well. And you put a lot of details into the case. You know, you've got a written format of the case. I can tell that you've all you've reviewed it, you've studied it, and you threw your own challenges in it. And that stood out to you. Okay? And so it was just an honor working with you guys. Very nice to meet you guys. I'm going to take those pictures with us on the phone.
Oh, sorry.